all of you are doing well. So today we are going to discuss exercise 3.1 trigonometric function. Question number 2. Find a degree measure corresponding to the following radian measures. So here is the solution. We know that pi radian equal to 180 degree, right? We know that pi radian equal to 180 degree. So ami janu je pi radian equal to kiman hoy 180 degree. Pi radian equal to 180 degree be relation adong khaye. This relation is already there. Pi radian equal to 180 degree. We have to write this one. So according to this question, we have to convert this radian into degree. So a question or mote radian or para degree convert koribo lage. Jehetu itu radian od ase, be radian od radian ifrai degree of convert khalam nagan. So to convert radian to degree, we have to write first this one, this relation pi radian equal to 180 degree. Therefore according to question, what is in question? It is 11 by 16. So here we can write 11 by 16 radian. 11 by 16 radian equal to 180 divided by pi into this one 11 by 16. So according to question, we have to use here the value of pi equal to 22 by 7, right? So pi or value ami kiman bohabo lagibo 22 by 7. Pi ni value ko masang put khalam nagan 22 by 7. So 11 by 16 degree. Now 180 divided by pi. So we have to use the value of pi, how much? 22 by 7. Here 22 by 7 into 11 by 16 degree. This equal to 180 into 7 divided by 22 into 11 by 16 degree. Now 11 to the 22, again 290 the 180, again 1490, sorry, not 14, 16, again 2 8 the 16, 245 the how much? 90. So etu ami cancel korilu. Cancel korar pisot kiman pam? Cancel khalamne no masa mangan. After cancellation we'll get 45 into 7 by 8 degree. This equal to 45 into 7 how much? It is 315 by 8 degree. Now this is not a final solution. It is not a final solution. Etu ki nohoy final solution nohoy jehetu yat ki ase 315 by 8 fraction ase. Jodi enike fraction thake etu ami divide koribo lagibo. It is in fraction form. If it is in fraction form, we have to divide it, right? So this is not a final solution. So if we divide 315 by 8, so we'll get 39 3 by 8 degree. 39 3 by 8 degree. So after this line we can write here 39 degree plus 3 by 8. Now look at here, as we have already discussed in the previous video, since 1 degree equal to 60 minute, right? This is the symbol for minute. Now here instead of degree we can write 1 degree equal to or into 60 minute, right? So instead of degree here we can write 60 minute. Now 39 degree plus this will be get cancelled, right? 4 2 is 8, 4 1 is 4, 4 5 is 20. So 15 3 is how much? 45 by 2 minute, right? So etu cancel hobo, 4 logot cancel korisu aru cancel korar pasot jodi ame So cancel korar pasor itu solve korim into korim kiman pam 15 3 45 by 2 cancel kalamne no masa mungan iku mungan, right? So why I am writing this one? Because it is in fraction form, right? So here we will not keep the angle in fraction form. That is why in this way we have to solve it out. Etu kyo karone enka likhisu because 3/8 to fraction on ase. So angle to ami degree যদি কনভার্ট কৰিম এটো আমি ফ্ৰেকশনত না ৰাখো এটো আমি সলভ কৰি গৈ থাকিম যেতিয়া লগে এটো ফ্ৰেকশন টো না ভাঙে সো এনেকে সেকেন্ড মিনিট দি পেলাই এটো সলভ কৰিব লাগিব ये एंगल फ्रेक्शनाव जानानै दं सो जों बेखौ फ्रेक्शनाव दोना बेखौ सेम फायगोन जों फ्रेक्शनखौ ओंखायनो जों बिदि सल्व खालामलांबाय थागोन डिग्री मिनिट होनानै बा सेकेन्ड होनानै राइट अगेन नाउ हियर 39 डिग्री प्लस अगेन वी हैव टू divide this 45 by 2 because it is in what fraction form etu fractional ase ako etu ami divide korim fraction to ami break korim so if we divide 45 by 2 we'll get 222 is how much 44 1 by 2 minute and next we can write now 39 degree plus 22 minute plus 1 by 2 again we know the relation since 1 minute equal to what 60 so 1 minute equal to what 60 seconds so instead of this minute here we have to write 60 seconds right now 39 degree plus 22 minute plus cancel this one 230 is 60 it is what 30 second here we can write now 39 degree 22 minute 30 second this is the final solution it whole final solution it is what 22 minute plus half hoy asile so a relation to ami janu 1 minute ot kiman thake 60 second thake so hetu half minute to ami 60 second logot into koribo lagibo so cancel korar pasot kiman pam 30 second so answer to hobo 39 degree plus 22 minute plus 30 second so this is the what final solution so this way we have to solve it so this is what final solution this one so here we can write hence 11 by 16 radian equal to 39 degree 22 minute 30 second this is the what final solution now next 4 pi radian problem number 2 it is given 4 pi radian minus 4 not pi sorry minus 4 radian so here solution number 2 given minus 4 we know that pi radian equal to 180 degree so minus 4 radian equal to 180 by pi into minus 4 degree so minus 180 put the value of pi 22 by 7 into 4 degree এতিয়া আমি পাইৰ ভ্যালু কি ভাইছো 22 by 7 so এটো কি হ'ব minus 187 by 22 into 4 degree so this will be get cancelled 2 2 is 4 2 11 ja so minus 180 into 7 into 2 by 11 degree is equal to minus 180 into 7 into 2 it is 2520 by 11 ডিগ্ৰী এটো ইনটু কৰাৰ পিছত কিমান পাম 2520/11 ইনটু খামান মাছামগন 2520 আৰু 11 now it is in fraction form so we have to divide it যেটো এটো ফ্র্যাকশনত আছে এটো আমি ডিভাইড কৰিলাম এটো আমি ফ্র্যাকশনত না ৰাখো so minus after dividing we'll get 2291/11 degree now this equal to minus 29 degree plus 1/11 since we know 1 degree equal to what 60 second right so we have to multiply it by 60 so not second sorry minute 1 degree equal to 60 minutes isn't it here since 1 degree equal to 60 minutes now minus 22 9 degree plus this what 60/11 minute right again minus 229 degree plus again we have to divide it right so 60/11 it is 5/11 minute next minus 229 degree plus 5 minute plus 5/11 again since we know 1 minute equal to 60 second right so we have to multiply this 5/11 minute into 60 second so this will be minus 229 plus 5 0 5 6 30/11 second now look at here if we divide 300/11 we will get 11 2s are 22 it is 8 again 0 11 7s are 77 3 then if we put here decimal 0 11 2s are 22 again we'll get what 8.0 11 7s are what 77 this will go like this only right again 2s are 22 8 right 8.0 11 7s are 77 so this will go like this only so we have to rounded it right then only we'll take this part so etu jodi ami divide korim etu enike goi thakibo right etu goi thakibo 27 27 27 27 so ami etu rounding off likhibo lagibo so dio itin thangbai thagan 27 27 27 divide khalam nai no obo malababa jobthane nonga song khaino jeng biko 27 kholo len se behai now here we will write only 27 so minus 229 degree plus 5 minute plus so 300/11 second instead of 300/11 here we can write directly 27 second right so this is the final solution minus 229 degree 5 minute 27 second this is the final solution hence here minus 4 radian equal to this one so this is the what final solution now next Roman number 3 now next Roman number 3 is given 5/3 so we know that pi radian equal to 180 degree therefore 5/3 radian equal to 180/pi into 5/3 degree so pi get cancelled so 360 ja 80 so 60 into 5 degree So 5 0 is 0, 5 6 are 30 degree. So this is the final solution because it is not in fraction form, right? So এইটো হল কি কৰিলো আমি ইয়াত 5 pi by 3 we know that pi radian equal to 180 degree এটো ৰিলেচন টু লিখিব লাগিব সো কোৱেশ্চন টুত কিমান দিয়া আছে 5 pi by 3 radian equal to কিমান হ'ব 180 by pi into 5 pi by 3 degree so pi cancel 360 যা কিমান হ'ব 180 so 60 into 5 কিমান হ'ব 300 degree so যেহেতু এটো ফ্ৰেকশনত নাই হেতুৱে আমাৰ ফাইনাল সলিউশন হ'ব hence 5 pi by 3 radian equal to কিমান হ'ব 300 degree বুজি খানাঙ্গো যাবাই সব না বুজি গাছিকান সব মান থাকাবি বিটি যাকে because 5 pi by 3 radian equal to এজকে সলভ খালামনানে মাসাং মনকে 300 degree যেটো 300 या फ्रैक्शन अफ गया अंखायनो बेनो फाइनल सॉल्यूशन जागोन hence 5 pi by 3 radian equal to 300 degree you can write in sample next Roman number 4 solution it is given 7 pi by 6 we know that pi radian equal to 180 degree therefore 7 pi by 6 radian equal to 180 degree by pi into 7 pi by 6 degree we can write this we also pi get cancelled so 6 3 is 18 0 this is what 30 into 7 degree after multiplying we'll get 210 degree hence 7 pi by 6 radian equal to 210 no need to write bracket here 210 degree no need to write bracket 210 degree okay so it is our final solution we know that pi radian equal to 180 degree so 7 pi by 6 radian not kiman hobo 180 degree by pi into 7 pi by 6 pi cancel 6 30 is 180 so 30 into 7 kiman hobo 210 degree to bracket to nilikhile hobo so 7 pi by 6 radian equal to kiman hobo 210 degree so buji pai sob na 7 pi by 6 radian ko solve khalamnani ma mongin jongo 210 so 7 pi by 6 radian equal to masa jagan 210 degree so I hope all of you understand it so if you are new in my channel please subscribe to my channel for more updates so today that's all thank you